Hello guys! Welcome to my channel! Today, it's unboxing time. My last unboxing, kung napanood yung last my video, it's my prize. Okay, hindi ko alam yung laman ng box. Today, it's super, alam ko dahil in-order ko siya online here in Taiwan, in Alson Mall. So, fresh from 7-Eleven, it's cash on delivery. So, cash tayo. Huwag tayo mag-installment kung may cash ka naman kasi mas tipid, diba? Pag cash. Kung may pang cash ka, diba? So, samahan niyo ako kung ano ba ang naman ng aking box. So, gusto niyo bang malaman? So, keep on watching. So, guys, it's free shipping na pag sa Alson Mall ka bumili pag you have 1,000 above na in-order mo. It's free shipping na. And cash on delivery, pwede siya sa home address mo or sa convenience store. Pwede sa Family Mart or 7-Eleven or convenience store na malapit sa'yo. So, it's very good, diba? Pag 1,000 and above, yun ang bili mo. So, in Alson Mall, meron silang mobile phone, meron silang laptop, meron silang dress, makeups. Mula ulo hanggang paa, guys, na kailangan nyo, meron sila. Accessories, and then some laptop and gadgets like cameras and laptop and mobile phone. Meron silang free giveaways, if like casing, ganyan. Depende sa brand na nabili mo, may free sila. Especially sa mga gadgets. So, meron silang 1-year warranty in some gadgets. And then, marami kang mapipilian. You choose many more. And then, you can visit the Facebook, and meron silang line. This is Alson Mall. So, kung dito kayo sa Taiwan and then may gusto kayong bilhin online, wala kayong time bumili dahil wala kayong time lumabas, diba? You can choose their page and item. Marami kayong choices. So, let's start. So, ayan guys. You can see it's sealed. Sealed. So, i-open na natin siya, guys. Thank you for watching, guys! Nalaman niyo na ang laman ng aking box. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for more updates.